Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Sassy Doherty, and today we're going to learn how to make a zine out of a piece of paper. And our zine are going to be 8 pages, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cool. So we're going to get started. So now we're going to go into materials. So you're going to need a piece of paper, you're going to need scissors, lots of markers, pens, whatever you want to draw on it. And then if you want, not necessary, but you can use a boning tool to make your folds a little bit stronger. Not needed, but if you have it, you can use it. You can also use a pencil as a boning tool. Okay, first we're going to start with folding the paper. So we're going to fold it hot dog style. And you want your lines to be as clean and as lined up as possible, because this will make the folds a little bit better when it all lines up. And this is where you'd use your boning tool to just get that nice fold, get it really clean. Again, not needed, but you can use it. So we got hot dog style. Now we're gonna go to our hamburger style and line up those sides. And you're gonna have, by the end of this, you're gonna have 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna take it, have it hot dog style, and you're gonna meet in the middle. You're gonna take your sides, fold it right here, and you can kind of fold it like this so that you can kind of meet it a little bit better, and press it in so that the corner of it really meets. See how that meets right there? And then you're going to do that to the other side. So now you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by the end of it, you're going to have 8 sections is the goal. Have it all lined up. You can press the folds with your fingers, or you can use the boning tool. Your life, not mine. So now it should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just so you all know, like if you wanted to draw it out right here, you could. So this is the front, this is the back, and the design starts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if you want to draw it now and like write it out, you're gonna flip it over. So this side's gonna be facing this way, and then flip it over. Because when you fold it all up, it does that. But I like to draw on it once it's already folded up. It's my personal preference. Okay, so now we're gonna fold it hot dog style, or hamburger style. Hamburger style, so it's like this. And then we're gonna cut here. We're gonna cut right down this line. So this is where those scissors come in play. So you're just gonna cut this section, okay? And cut it along that fold that you made earlier. So I'm gonna find my fold. And only cut halfway. Okay, so now this is where it gets tricky. This is kind of the hardest part of making it. So you're gonna place your zine kind of like a couch. Okay. So you're gonna have both sides. Can you see the couch? And then you have this folded part, and then you have the chairs, okay? So now we're gonna take our hands, we're gonna press on the bottom of both sides of the couch, and we're gonna push them together, and our hands are gonna meet, and they're gonna kiss. And then what you're gonna do is you should have this plus sign looking thing. This is what the plus sign should look like. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, and you're gonna fold it all together. Take those 2 sides and make them kiss. And there you go. Now you have a zine right then and there. And this is what it should look like once it's done. And then you have the inside. So page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and then the back. So that's how you can make a zine. You can make it about whatever you want.
Yeah.